Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to make your very own puffy paint. It's super easy and it's super fun. So let me show you the materials that you'll need and we'll go ahead and get started. So for this project, you will need a small or medium-sized mixing bowl, a large thing of liquid glue, some foaming shave gel or shave cream, some liquid food colors, and it does not have to be the primary colors like I have here, but that's what I'm going to use today. A 1/2 cup measurement, a spatula or a large spoon for mixing, and then what I have here is 4 containers, because after we mix the shaving cream and the glue together, it will be white, and then we'll sort it out into these individual containers to put each of the colors. The first thing that you will do is shake up the shaving foam. And then you're just going to spray it into the 1/2 cup. And then use your spatula or your spoon to help scrape it out of the 1/2 cup and into the bowl. And then we are going to go ahead and do 1 more 1/2 cup. Just like that. It is very, very foamy. All right. So here's how it looks so far. Next, we are going to take the cap all the way off of the glue. And then just pour it into the 1/2 cup. Once it is full, pour it into the bowl with the shaving cream. And again, if you need to, use the spatula to kind of scrape the sides and make sure every last drop gets in the bowl. And then you guessed it, we will do it 1 more time. This is why you need a big container of the glue, because it uses 1 cup. And really this recipe, it calls for equal parts shaving cream and glue. So you can use less if you need to, or you can use more. The important thing is that you use the exact same amount of shaving cream as you do of the glue. So we're just gonna go ahead and make a big batch today. That's why I'm doing 1 cup. Okay, so we're done with our measurement. So let's put it to the side so it can be washed. All right, the next thing we're going to do is just mix it up. Use your spatula and just mix, mix, mix. And it almost looks like a cloud. It's very soft, it's very foamy, has a very nice creamy texture. Fluffy, I guess you should say it's a fluffy texture, but it's creamy too. Look at that. Look how nice that looks. Wow. So once it's all nice and mixed up, we are ready to separate it into our individual little containers so that we can add some colors. So let's get our containers here. So now that we have our little containers here, we are going to very carefully pour some of the paint into each one. I'm being very careful not to spill it. And I'm trying to put the same amount in each container, although that's okay if it's not exactly equal. And if you have a little extra, you can go back and put more in any of them that have a little less, like this one. There we go. All right. So now we have the white base in each of our 4 containers, and we're ready to add some colors. First, let's start with green. So we'll take off the lid and let's put about 3 drops and then mix it together, and let's see how it looks. And I've gotten 4 little spoons here, 1 for each color, so that way they don't get mixed up. So look, I'm mixing it up, making sure the green gets all mixed together. And you know what? I think 3 is the perfect amount of drops. It's a nice, beautiful green color. It's not too dark, it's not too light. Okay, let's see what's next. Let's do blue. So again, take off the cap carefully because sometimes it squirts. 1, 2, 3. 3 drops. Get a different spoon and mix it together. Wow, what a beautiful shade of light blue. Make sure it's all mixed evenly together. There we go. Perfect. Let's see. Next we will do red. Let's add 3 drops of red. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. It's almost a pink color. If you want to make it a little darker, all you have to do is add more drops of the red color. And last, let's do yellow. 1, 2, 3 drops of yellow. And then mix it together. And there you have it. We have 4 beautiful colors of puffy paint. And now we are ready to try them out. So now we have a paintbrush and a nice piece of cardstock paper. You can use regular paper too if you don't have any cardstock paper, but this one is just very sturdy. And it's time to test out our puffy paints. So let's see, I think I am going to draw a rainbow. So let's see. Wow. Look at that, and look at how it's almost 3-dimensional off the page. It doesn't lay flat like regular paint. That is super fun to paint with. I like this a lot. After I'm finished, I'll show you close up so you can see. And the one thing I recommend is either have a different color, a different paintbrush for each color, or you will have to wash your brush in between each color. That way you don't mix up your nice, lovely colors. So next, let's use some yellow. Wow. This is just so cool. I'm making my colors of the rainbow. So first is red. Well, really it's more like pink. Like this. Very nice. Okay, let me wash my brush. We worked very hard to make these colors, so you don't want to mix them up. Next, let's use some green. Wow. Okay, a little more. And then, I love how it looks so far. The colors are so vivid. That means they're very bright. They look very nice. And last, let's use the blue to make some fluffy clouds. So I'm just going to do little dots with my brush like this. Some nice, big, fluffy clouds. There we go. And now another one on this side. Perfect. And there we have a lovely rainbow that we made with the puffy paint. So I want to show you close up how it looks. Can you see how the paint is raised off of the paper? And when it dries, it's going to stay like that. So it will stay puffy even once it dries. Isn't that cool? Look at it one more time. Super fun. Okay, I hope you enjoy making and using your very own puffy paint. This is a super fun project and I know I certainly had fun showing you. So I hope you get to try it at home, enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.